Ladies, listen here. Curls Poppin Pineapple Collection is now available in Walmart. You see, Poppin Pineapples not only has vitamin C, but it smells so fruity and delicious. Make you feel like a natural woman. It's Poppin Pineapple.
Fly, not dry, condition, moisturize. So smooth, so deft, so fresh. It's time to get Poppin Pineapple.
Curls presents all new Poppin Pineapple Collection, exclusively available at Walmart.
Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and trying out Curl's latest collection, their newest launch, which is Poppin Pineapple. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how to achieve the perfect pineapple updo, also how to protect your hair overnight, and the benefits of doing a pineapple updo. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. All right, so to begin, step one, we're gonna start off by washing our hair, and I'm gonna start off with Curl's Poppin Pineapple. This is their So Clean Curl Wash, has vitamin C in it, and is formulated, it says, for shiny, longer, thicker, healthier curls. And who doesn't want that? That sounds amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and run over to my sink and wash my hair. So I'll be back. So I just finished washing my hair and rinsing out the shampoo. And I must say, the shampoo smells amazing. Literally has my hair smelling like pineapples. It smells so tropical and fruity. It smells so good. Literally smells like actual pineapples. Amazing. And also the shampoo, I noticed, made my hair really soft. It wasn't a drying shampoo at all. It was a very moisturizing shampoo. So now let's move on to the next part, which is conditioning. We're gonna do a deep conditioner, and I'm going to be using Curl's So Moist. This is their curl mask, and basically I'm just gonna use this to moisturize my curls. I'm just gonna use this like a deep conditioner, leave it in for a few minutes, and then I'm going to rinse out. I'm gonna take some of this, apply this all over. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes that I've had the Poppin Curls So Moist hair mask in my hair. So I'm gonna rinse that out and I'll be back. Okay, so I just finished rinsing off the hair mask, and my hair feels very moist, very smooth. I feel like I could go ahead and detangle my hair now, but the Poppin Curls collection has a leave-in conditioner. Why would I skip that? Come on. So I'm gonna be using the So Smooth leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply this to my hair to even further soften my curls, to detangle, and get ready for styling. All right, so I'm gonna take a good amount of conditioner, which smells so good. It smells so good, so good. And I'm just gonna take this and apply it all over my hair. All right, what's next? So we have Poppin Pineapple. This is their So Fresh Scalp Treatment. And so I could have done this before doing the leave-in conditioner, but of course I could do this now. I could do this after styling. You can do this whenever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this to the palm of my hand and spread it out. And I'm just gonna massage it in my scalp. And I can already feel that tingling sensation in my scalp, like refreshing. That feels so good. So lastly, for styling the hair, the styling product from the Poppin Pineapples collection is their So Def Curl Defining Jelly. So we have a gel as a styler in this collection. So I'm going to go ahead and make my curls poppin'. So to begin, what I like to do is start from the back of my hair. And so I'm just going to part some of it. And I have this bottom section. So I'm gonna take this bottom section, split it into two, brush it out with my detangler brush, like so. And I'm gonna take the So Def for definition, their curl defining jelly. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, not too much. I'm gonna apply that to my hair, making sure to get my ends, my roots, spreading it through with my fingers, and I'm gonna use the brush to just brush it in there. I'm just gonna continue doing the rest of my hair, same steps. I'm just taking sections at a time to make sure that I apply the jelly well. Take some of the jelly and apply it to the section nice and thoroughly. Man, this smells so good. I can't get over how good this smells. And then I'm gonna brush it through. Okay ladies, so I finished applying the So Def Curl Defining Jelly all over my hair. My entire hair smells like delicious pineapples. So good. All right ladies, I'm back after 2 hours of air drying, and as my hair was air drying, I did my makeup to finish this look for you guys. So these are the results after air drying, and my hair still looks moist, it looks wet, but it's not. It's actually dry, and it still looks shiny. It's still very defined, and it's not hard, it's not crunchy, it's not flaky, it still feels soft and bouncy, and I love the results that I got from Curl's Poppin Pineapple collection, you guys. I'm so excited. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna do the pineapple updo now. So I'm gonna take some of the So Smooth leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna take some of that, spread it in my hands, flip my hair towards the front, and I'm just gonna apply like around the edges, make sure that's nice and smooth. Like so. Get yourself a loose scrunchie, stretchy scrunchie, not a really tight one. And then I have my soft bristle brush just to smooth the edges. So loosely, you're gonna bring all your hair towards the front. Scrunchie. And then I'm just gonna loosely leave it here at the top, like that. So I didn't double tie it, just one. So now that I got my pineapple updo up, I'm just gonna take some more of the leave-in conditioner, take a little bit of that, and I'm going to apply it right here to any like hairs sticking out and recoil it like so. And then I like to take a curl like from right here and recoil it. So I brought my hair up like so, and I did not double tie it. And then you can just play around with it to how you like it. I like to put it, I guess, on my left side. So it looks like this. Another hairstyle you can do real quick is remove this, take some hair from the sides for like a side swept bang, and then take the rest of your hair and bring that up again like the pineapple updo that we did earlier, except the difference is we're leaving some hair out in the front like so. Also, if you want to push your updo up more, you can just use a little clip here to help it push up more volume, give it some little extra oomph up there. So yeah, ladies, you can do this to make it more stylish, leave some hair out, maybe apply some accessories right here, some gold bobby pins. So I just wanted to share some benefits of doing a pineapple updo. Why would you want to do a pineapple updo? So there's several reasons, one of them being a protective style. If you don't want to mess around too much with your hair, you want to leave it alone, you want to get it up and out of your face, off of your shoulders, you can do a quick pineapple updo and just keep it up so that you're not messing with it. Leave it alone as a protective style, and this even helps to elongate and even stretch your hair. Some women use the pineapple method to stretch their natural hair, and other women use it to preserve their curls overnight. So you can use this style to preserve your curls overnight. You can use this style to go out because it's cute, and you can even add accessories to the side. You could add pins, maybe some gold pins here to make it look more stylish. Or you could just do this for bedtime and then just use a silk wrap to wrap your hair, and that way when you wake up in the morning, your curls is still poppin', like the Poppin Pineapples collection. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below and I'll reply. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.